Ryobi 45cc chainsaw. This thing is a little beast. Now, I'm not surprised that I like it, because I've always been a Ryobi fan. But yeah, I like it a lot. Considering if I had to rent a chainsaw for about 4 days, it would have cost the same as buying this chainsaw. So, unless you don't want to struggle with the maintenance, which shouldn't be that big a deal because it's a 2-stroke engine, they're quite tough. I wouldn't rent one. It's just not worth it. Rather have your own for the same price as renting one for a few days. This one is it's lekker. Overall, I like it. So this bad boy can do basically anything you need it. I might in the future go for a bigger one, but if you're in the city or the suburbs or whatever, you don't need a bigger one. This is more than capable of handling your yard. And it's not heavy. It's like 6.5 kgs. Tank's small, but that's fine. It forces you to not overheat it, not use it for too long and too hot. And yeah, it's got all the fancy things. Primer bulb, choke, on-off switch, pull start. There's the air filter. There's your auto chain lubrication where you put in the chain lube, and gas obviously. Now keep in mind that this is a new chain, so it's going to stretch the whole time. So as the newer the chain, the more it stretches, and then eventually it stops stretching, and then eventually it probably snaps. But yeah, keep an eye out for that, because when you're in the field cutting a tree and this thing comes off and you didn't take the tool with you, it's gonna be a hassle. But if you have the tool with you, you just unscrew here, pop it back out, pop the chain back over, pop it back in. It's very simple. So yeah, 5 stars.